birthday.
It's
It's a birthday. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. It's a birthday.
You should be wearing all black to commemorate this day. All black.
Who would have thought your 30th? Could you
I am
have
wearing all black.
imagined
I am wearing all
that
black.
your 30th birthday would be spent at the Pennsylvania Farm Show?
No place better.
At the Tuner Drive Over
The reveal of my 30th birthday.
fire truck. And we have Miles. What's your favorite kind of cake?
Lake carrot cake.
Whoa, what happened?
It's dying like me.
Look at that.
Thank you.
One shot.
Thank you.
One shot. Now, to the surprise here. Very grateful to C&E Catering.
What's her name? Debbie.
Debbie.
No.
Betty.
Betty. Betty.
Karen.
Betty. Karen.
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 For letting us borrow this.
Aluminum full. Oh, she gives us everything.
And we have 3 choices of sneakers here.
Okay.
2 of them are pretty good. 1, not so much. And you get to pick whichever. You get to pick one. Based on which one you pick, we don't open it till last. We open the other 2 first.
Okay.
And the one you pick, you get to keep.
So this is like, what's that show called with the cases? Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal.
No. This is like Russian roulette.
Ooh, so the one I picked first.
No. The one you pick is you put a sticker on the one you pick.
That's the one I won.
That's the one you want.
Okay.
And then we check the other 2 first.
Can I feel?
Feel. No, you can't.
I can't feel. Okay, no touching. I didn't know.
Now, before we do that,
I can't get the feel off.
I couldn't either. Hold on. Piece of
Only ice
cream cheese.
Only cream.
Oh, I think I have a piece of hair, Miles' beard, in my cream cheese.
All right. Here we go. Very carefully.
Yeah, don't touch!
Put the sticker on it.
Put the sticker on the one that you think might be
The one I want.
good one. Nah?
Where do you think Brian would be your favorite? That's the
Nah?
On the table.
Nah? Okay, so pick the 3rd one. Now, which one would you like to open first of these 2?
Let's go with lefty open first.
Lefty. So slide it over.
What didn't I get?
Let's see what Miles doesn't
What
get
didn't I get? It's gonna be the best
for
for
his
his.
30th birthday. Just pull it up, quick.
Ooh, a
Ah!
dog. So far. This is the off-white
picked-
Air Max
yeah.
90. I didn't get it. I really wanted it.
I thought it was the other one. I thought you picked that one.
Okay.
So Miles passed. Miles did a good job because
I didn't get the off-white
not
polka
get
dot.
the. But this is Premier.
Yeah, it's
Premier. Polka dot.
polka dot off-white.
All right. Now let's slide this one over. This one Miles does not get either.
One I don't get. Oh. Wow, I passed on the Travis SB.
He has special box.
Wow.
Travis Glass.
Wow, this is a grail that I passed. I could have matched Ryan Dean, but I was an idiot. Oh no.
Now, time to check.
It's gonna be a panda.
Fine, it'll be a
It's gonna be a
panda.
panda.
A panda. Please. Close your eyes. We'll open it. Close your eyes. Turn around.
Oh!
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh!
It's not an unboxing, it's an unwrapping. Hold on. Alright. There you go. Turn around, open your eyes.
Oh no! Hey!
Hey! Now, just for the record, that's the only pair that
I thought I'd never
don't
have.
have.
Oh my. The chunky dog. Oh my
You
god.
should have brought Ben and Jerry's ice cream.
serious. I can take a different one.
Say?
Are you serious? I'll take a different one.
Ice cream? Oh,
Yeah. I'll take
I said we should have gotten ice cream.
No, but I said,
You can pick. There it is.
Thank
Happy
you.
30th.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains.
The girl's on fire. Man. You can't hurt these.
The catch is you only get one of them. You don't get
fine.
the
It's- I'll
you don't
take
get
one.
the other
I'll
one.
only take one.